Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, it's 20 of August 2025. We have a lot of rain in Sydney, and this is one of the main river goes to Parramatta Ferry, and this is a lot of rain. So also we can see our normal friend is cormorant, and he's waiting for anything in the water to dive into. And yeah, this is one of the area which is I enjoy to come. He's a big bear, like he's sitting there waiting for any movement in water to dive in. Yeah, it's a beautiful weather to go out. I don't mind the rain. Yeah, let me focus on this bear. Yeah, there is a lot of rain. A lot of rain in the last couple of weeks. I was away, sorry, I couldn't do much video. I was away on a road, like a work trip in China for 3 weeks, and I'm back. We will go further up to see more footage. And this is the other side. There is another dam to control the level of water. As we can see, a lot of rain. And let's see our friends, the bat, they are all hiding on this tree because of the rain. They are more active at night. And these are the flying fox. They are just chilling on the top of this tree upside down. They are protected species, and this is pretty much a big colony around Western Sydney. And we are approaching spring season. Like you see, some of the tree, it's so beautiful, and lots of flower on this tree, and it is a beautiful day. The rain eased a bit, so I don't use my umbrella anymore. I just enjoy walking around this area. It's a beautiful day. I've been to this part before, and it was so little water, and imagine now with the amount of rain how much water we get through this to the main Parramatta River. It is a lot, but it is a beautiful day. As I can see, some council amazing worker, they putting flower preparation for September open day for council garden, and that will be the official spring season. And this is the what they call it, Governor Phillip Walk in Parramatta Park. As you can see, there's a lot of activities. They're putting all this flower like in a already prepared bed. It's beautiful flower. They will flourish in this coming month. Yeah, some of them is still quite young, and it will be ready for this upcoming festival, which is the start of spring season. These are one of the turkey, and these are one of the turkey visiting this this bed, and it's trying. And we go back to see the other side of the park. It's beautiful day. Unfortunately, I don't see that many people around, but I do enjoy getting out in rain, and don't mind if I get showered with the rain, like they say. It's just my passion, and I love this kind of weather. It's good for animals, for plants, for the environment. I hope that will be the case all around the world. Drought hurts everything in the nature. This is another side of this river. It's all get formed on starting from western suburb to now we are in an area called Inner West in Sydney, and then that goes all the way to the harbour in Sydney Centre. These are some of the flower. I love the way they look when they are young, and then they will yield more flower hopefully next month. And this is another color of this flower, and like I said, all this bed will be all pretty much this color in a month when the weather gets warmer. And one more species at this side. These are also beautiful. Every flower are unique. These are one of the protected tree, and it is an icon. It's a rubber plant, and it is huge. It is huge how it's been left here in rain and I don't know if there is any sign on it or not, but it is also shooting lots of roots from upper trunk all the way to the soil to get more foot on the ground. It's a huge giant tree. Like, look at their root, how they propagate on the ground, and their limb all lean around to get more shade around the base to keep moisture. Back again to this bird. It's one of the cormorant, which is famous in diving in for fish when he spots anything moving in water. Or today the water is muddy. I don't know how good he is in this weather to spot any fish or frog or any type of fish inside the water. I can see if I can zoom in further to get clear shot. He's just chilling, and like you can see, there is a lot of, again, flying fox nearby on these trees. And this is the water gushing underneath this pedestrian bridge, and the other one is the far end dam, which we just been a while ago. We just been there, and it's interesting, this cormorant, how he stretch his wing and now makes his feather fluffy to dry, I guess, to get both wing and body dry. And there is some duck. I think there is a Pacific, Indian Pacific type, and there is a moorhen bird as well, or water bird, or water chicken. To this point, I can say enjoy this video and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.